Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, on the screen, we can see that we have a roller coaster. It signifies the condition of the market that we are going to see today, because today is a very special day because of the CPI. And as we all know, market have been waiting for the CPI, and before the major event like FOMC, CPI, NFP, market prefers to stay silent. Okay, so that market can get crazy after the news. And today's CPI is also going to be a special one, and this can be the condition of the market. And if you look at the market sentiment, we can see gold edges higher, US inflation data in focus, gold falls for six sessions. So overall market is waiting for the upcoming CPI. And if you look at the economy calendar, you can see not only CPI, we also have the jobless claims that are coming up. So there will be double dhamaka, double blast today. So my dear friends, be careful. Especially if you're a beginner, new trader, if you do not know much about the market, then obviously this is not the ideal time to trade. Okay, you can obviously make money during normal trading opportunities, during the normal trading hours. Market will give you plenty of opportunities to make money, but still traders jump at the time of news because of the volatility. Okay, the volatility is very lucrative, but 90% trader, actually more than 90% traders lose money when the market is too volatile. For example, if market drops, okay, if gold drops with a big red candle and we go for a sell, within few seconds, if gold recovers again, then obviously we will be trapped, isn't it? So please be careful if you do not have much experience. If you have been watching my videos, then you must know that I do not talk in favor of news trading. I am a peace lover. I believe that market gives us plenty of opportunities during normal hours, so we don't need to gamble at the time of news. And nobody can deny the fact that theory is different and practical trading is different. On theory, okay, we believe that okay, the news is positive, market will be up. News is negative, market will be down. But in real trading, things are completely opposite, isn't it? So that's why you need to be careful, because market manipulation is at its peak at the time of news. Nobody can deny. Not only forex market, in all the market around the world, highest market manipulation takes place at the time of news. That's a bitter reality. So beginner, new trader, stay aside, observe the market to gain experience. And also those traders who cannot afford to lose any money right now, who are having a tough time, this is also not the right time to trade. Okay. And if you look at the numbers here, then you can see market is expecting 2.3%. Okay. What market is expecting? Market is expecting 2.3%, and the previous number was 2.5. Okay, so if number comes at 2.3%, there is a possibility that we may get to see spikes from both the side. Okay, you may see market going up at first and then market dropping again. Okay, and if there is a surprise, for example, market is expecting a number of 2.3% and the number comes around 2.5, 2.7, then we may see a unidirectional market. Okay, but if the number meets the expectation, there is a high chance that we will just get to see spikes from both the sides. Okay, see, it is not possible to predict the market after news. Okay, so I will not try that. Okay, but we need to understand the bitter realities of the market as well. Market has a plus side as well as a dark side. As a trader, you should know both the sides of the market. So what are the trading opportunities then? As we can clearly see that the volatility of the market is not very high. Market is trading in a tight range here. So obviously the trading opportunities are also limited as usual. Okay, this week has been very dull. Okay, so during the day, if we see market going up, then the best selling opportunity will come around 2643 area, 264243 area. Then we have 2634 area, and then 2628. These are the three levels where we can look for a sell position before the US session. After CPI, if gold starts going up and if you take a sell, then this is a bad decision. Do not blame me. Okay, because when the market will be going up with volume, these levels will not work. You need to understand this fact very well, that volume plays a very important role. That's why these type of weak levels mostly work when the market is not very volatile. So we are simply using Fibonacci here. Okay, you can see market is respecting our FIBO levels. So around 2628 we have FIBO 50, around 2634 we have FIBO 61, and 786 around 264243 area. So these are the three levels where we can look for a sell position before news. After news, these levels will not work. But as we can clearly see, the volume of the market is not very high right now. So chances of market going to 2634, 2642 area is very less. We need to be practical also. So before the US session, if you see the market remains like this, then we can also look for a sell position around 2624 area as well, 2624, 2623. So during the European session, if you see the market is standing around 262423 area, observe the market. If you see the market is showing price rejection from above, we can look for a sell position. There is a 15-minute chart. 1 hour chart is slow time frame for the day. So just switch to 15-minute chart and see how does the market is behaving. Once you will see market is showing price rejection from above, you can look for a sell position here as well. This level may not be a very strong level, but if you want a trade very badly, then yes, this can be a trade around 262324 area. Okay, and where is the support then? The support of 2600 is still valid. Before the US session or before CPI, if you see market around 2600, we can definitely look for a buy position. After news, 2600 will not work. After news, it will not work. Okay, if you see the market is slowly going down, then 2593 to 2590 may provide support to the market. Already we have seen in our previous videos, I do not want to explain again, around 259390 area we have FIBO. Okay, we have FIBO on the overall chart. So we can expect that this level may work if we see market going down with less volume. But I don't know why. Okay, I have a feeling that there is a possibility that gold may go towards the downside at first. Gold may take support around 2580, around the 200 moving average, and then gold will be bouncing back again. Personally, I don't think that gold will be going for a complete trend reversal. I think there will be some stop loss huntings. So be careful. Okay, so if gold goes down also, be careful. And again, I'm repeating, if you're a beginner, new trader, if you do not want to take risk, this is not the market. Okay. But I think that market may try to take support around 2580, around the 200 moving average here. So we have a we believe that if gold breaks 2600 2590, it will be a downtrend, it will be a trend reversal. But I think market may try to trap all the sellers around the area and market may recover. So let's wait and watch, time will speak. Okay, so after the news, if you see the market is taking a strong trend, follow the trend of the market. Just forget what Avila said. Okay, because I'm making the video in the Asian session, so things will be completely different during the US session. I am also a trader like you. I don't know anything, okay, much about the market. We all are learners. Okay, we need to accept it. Okay, market is above all, and the only way to make money in the market is to be flexible. Instead of predicting the market, we need to react according to the various market conditions and situations. That's a reality. Okay, and follow proper risk management. Even if you go for any position, okay, do not gamble. Follow stop loss strictly. If the market is very volatile, do not hold your positions above 80 pips. If you see the market has taken a direction, you are standing on the opposite direction, after 80 pips, try to exit. Okay, because we have a bad habit of holding our bad trades, and ultimately it becomes like a cancer. Don't make that mistake. So let me wrap it up. During the day, if market goes up, okay, if market goes up, we can look for a quick sell opportunities on 2643 area, 2634 and 2628 area. But the problem is that market is very slow, volume is very less right now. If you have any ongoing position in the market, you can continue. Okay, and if market is very slow, very dull, then during the day we can also look for a quick sell opportunity around 2622 sorry 2622 area 2600 by 2624 के आसपास we can look for a sell opportunity as well. Okay, and during the day, if market goes down, we can look for support on 2600, but the same support of 2600 will not work after the news. After the news, market will be very volatile, so it will not work. Similarly, the sell positions that we just discussed will also not work at the time of news. After news, if gold drops, then there can be some low volatile situation. In that case, we can look for a support on 2690 area. If it fails, personally I have a hope that market may take support on 2580 and bounce back. Okay, so if the moves are not convincing enough, then please try to avoid the market. And obviously you need to follow the trend of the market after news, because trend is above all. Okay, I'm making the video in the Asian session, so things will be different during the US session. So you need to react according to the situation and follow strict stop loss. Okay, bye bye, take care, all the best.